Moving further, next that we have here is play a chord. And in order to do this activity, we are going to use the trumpet instrument from, again, the music category of the Sprite library. And this is the instruction set that we are going to give to this particular trumpet. And here you can see that in the event when down arrow key is pressed. So we are using the down arrow this time. And after that, we have used the three sound blocks and all of having the different notes of the trumpet, like F, A, C2, and you can use other variations also. And we are going to continue with the same activity as we have done earlier, like going to the sprite library, and from the instruments or from the music category you can choose, or you can just directly type in for the search box for trumpet and delete the cat sprite, as this would not be required. Then you have to take a backdrop, so this time we can add some other theater backdrop like this one. And now is the time to give the instructions to this trumpet basically. So from the events category, the first instruction, that when spacebar is pressed. So instead of spacebar, I'm going to use the down arrow this time. You can use other variations also. Likewise, from the sound category, the next instruction is like start sound C2 trumpet, and we'll be using this particular block. So I'm like multiple times. So just right click and duplicate. And there are just next to the drop down list, you can see many variations are there. You can take any note as per your convenience. I'm using the ones which was shown in the scratch coding cards. So once my set is complete, now if I press the down arrow, you can see how this is playing for us.